We continue with SQL Server tutorial, and today we'll talk about SQL joins. Join clause we use to combine rows from two or more tables based on related column between tables. We have created two tables, departments and employees, and you can notice that column department ID we have in both tables, and that column department ID in departments tables refers to department ID in employees table. So we can say that relationship between these two tables is department ID column. And we can say that rows from one table refer to specify rows in another table which are connected by department ID column. In other words, every employee belongs some department, and every department have one or more employees. Okay, now we can create a new SQL statement with inner join to return rows that have matching values in both tables. And we can delete this code here. So we type select from employees as E, because first we want to specify which columns we want to show from employees table. And also we use alias E to give temporary table name for employees table. And now we can select ID column with alias. So we type E dot ID, and also we can show from employees table name column, and here we type E dot name column. Next we need to specify inner join, because we want to select all rows from both tables that have matching values. And after that we need to specify second table, and second table is departments as D. Then we type on keyword, and here we need to specify which column we compare. In this case that's column department ID, because that's relationship between these two tables. So we type D or departments dot department ID is equal E dot department ID. Also we need to specify department column in select statement, and that column we return from department table. So here we type D or departments dot department column. Now let's execute select command, and you can see that we have results from both tables shown in one table. From table employees we returned ID and name columns, and from second table we have departments. And now in new table, like I mentioned, we have IDs of employees. Also we have names of employees and departments for specific employees. I hope you enjoy lesson. If you have some questions, leave a comment. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.